Hi, Facey here, and coming to you with another video that I said I was going to share with the group about getting the links for your drive folders and files within those drive folders. So there's two approach that I use with this. One is an add-on, and the other way is a Google Apps script, and we're going to attempt to walk through both of them because I'm assuming I'm going to have trouble with one. So let's go ahead and see what we come up with. So first option would be to use an add-on, and the add-on that we would like to use is called Files Cabinet by Awesome Tables. And if I start typing it, you'll see Files Cabinet by Awesome Tables, and when you click on it, it tells you what it does. It lists all your links to your Google files within your Google Drive, and as you can see, it tells you what it does and whatever. So we're going to go ahead and try to install it and click continue. It's going to ask us to grant permission, okay, and I already went ahead and made sure that my less secure apps are turned off so that Google will allow me to install third-party apps, but for whatever reason Google temporarily disabled that option for this particular app because it has not been verified in order to use Google Sign In. Okay, so I guess I have to wait until that gets sorted out by the developers. So we are going to move on to the next option, right? So if one option doesn't work, we move on to the next. No big deal. Alright, so we close that out, and we're going to go create a blank sheet, just a blank sheet or any sheet that you have within the particular drive, and you're going to go over to Tools and go to Script Editor. We're going to open that, and then I'm going to provide you with a copy of the script that you're going to need to paste in this project window here. So we're going to go ahead and select all and delete it, and first we're going to name our project. We're going to call it list folder and file links. Okay, that's the project we're going to call it, and we're going to copy the code and paste it in here, and I'm going to be providing you with a text file with the instructions and the script that you're going to see here on my screen. So these are the instructions and this is the script. So I'm going to copy the script here, Control C, copy, and then I'm going to go over to the script editor. I'm going to paste the code, and wherever you see where it says your folder, we're going to go ahead and replace that with the folder that we're trying to list, the containing folder that has our files. That's the particular folder that we're going to put in the script editor here. So as you can see, I'm in a folder called SEO Tools. So we're going to go back over to that, and we're going to type in SEO Tools, and it is not case sensitive, so it doesn't have to be capital SEO as you see here. So it's not case sensitive, so whether it's uppercase or lowercase, it's going to find the correct file, correct folder. So we're going to go ahead and save that first. Okay, and once that's done, it should okay. So we're done, and then we're going to go ahead and click run, or the play button right here, and we're going to run the script. It's going to ask us to give permission. We're going to grant access, and then we're going to allow it. So Google is going to say it isn't verified, and it's going to tell you to go back to safety. But we're going to go ahead and click on advanced, and go ahead and go to the project that we just created, which is list folder and file URLs or links. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to allow that, and it says the script is running and it is finished. So now if we go back to our folder, we should see, we would think that the only thing that I wish it did was create the links, the sheet containing the links to all our files and our folders in that particular folder, in said folder that we put in the script. But unfortunately it saves it to our main MyDrive account within your Google Drive. So you gotta go to your MyDrive, the main MyDrive area of your Google account, and then you will see it, and it's going to be list of SEO tools. Okay, so I'm going to go to that. I'm going to pause and come back. Okay, so I went over to my main MyDrive account, and it was called listing of folder SEO tools, right? So if I go ahead and open up this Google Sheet, it's going to have all the links to the particular files, and if there was a folder in there, it will give you the list. It will give you a list, a link to that folder, and as you can see here, it gives you the name and the links. Okay, so there you have it. And one other thing, I'm going to be posting the links, all the links to the necessary files below this video. And one other thing, if I should go back into the script editor, let me go back to this folder, right? And I'm going to create a folder, right? And I'm calling it demo. Okay, create, and you will follow this process. If you added new files to this folder, you just go back to the script. Okay, you go back to script editor, and your script is going to be there, and you just open whatever you named it, and make sure that you put in the name of your folder. And I'm going to go ahead and click run again. And since we already authorized it, it's not going to ask me to do that. So it's finished doing its thing. So when I go back to my main Drive account, because it's not going to show up here, so when I go to my main Drive account, I should see this folder again. So what I'm going to do is actually delete this one from here, go to my Drive and come back. Okay, so I moved it from my Drive into this particular folder, and if I open it now, we should have a link to that folder. And if not, then we will now know that it doesn't list the links for your folders. And in this instance, it did not list the link to that particular folder. But anyhow, you have the list of all your files within a folder. So how it works, it looks like it's only generating links or URLs to files contained in a folder. Okay, and if you want to repeat the process, then you just go back to the script and put in the folder name. Pretty simple. Change this to your new folder name, run the script. Takes 5 or 7 seconds, and then you have your document in your main MyDrive. Okay, so that's it for today. Again, this is Facey, wishing you all the best, and hope this video helps. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I hope this helps. All the best, guys, and see you around. Bye now.